Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to thread your industrial sewing machine. So let's get straight into it. So I chose a black thread so it's going to be easier for us to see. The first thing is put your thread. We're going to thread our machine by starting from this point. We're going to take the thread through this tiny hole. Hope you can see it. This tiny hole. It's always easier to thread from the back to the front. Also the needle from the left to the right. So I'm the only one filming today, so just bear with me. I like to fold my thread. That way it's easier for me to thread it. This way. As you can see, I want to take it through this tiny hole. So I'm threading from the back. If you can see it, it's out in front. So you just pick it and I'm taking it straight to the next point. Here is the next point. My thread is still folded, like doubled. So I'm going to take it through this second hole.